In this video, I'll show you how to use layer masking in Ibis Paint X. Make sure to watch the entire video because this trick is really simple, but to use it properly, you need to see the full process, especially the third method. And by the way, don't forget to like the video if you want more tutorials. Here we are in Ibis Paint X, and as you can see, we have the same images, but with different color grading. What if we only want this effect on his face? It's actually very simple. The trick is to create a new layer and clip it to the one below. Now, when we paint on the clip layer, the effect appears only on the area below. You can paint, erase, and repeat this process as much as you want. This way, you can remove something and still paint it back. Now that we've learned the trick, let's see all the different ways you can use it. You can use it to apply particles. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the episode where I turn Ghost Freak into real life, check out the link in the description. Add the particle image, clip it to the bottom layer, and change the blending mode from normal to screen. I'm selecting the airbrush tool, and now we can paint the particles where we want, erase them, and paint them back again. Now you might wonder, should we only use black? Well, no, you can use any color you like, and it'll still give you the effect you want. Just adjust the blending mode to suit your image. Next, you can use this trick to apply lighting and shadows. Just duplicate your image and increase the brightness as needed. Then create a new layer, clip it, and paint the areas where you want the light to show. See? It's simple and effective. You can do the same for adding shadows too. Now let's paint some highlights on him. But as you can see, there's a problem. The black area is showing through. So what do we do now? Don't worry, I've got a solution. Create a new layer, turn on alpha lock, and using the felt tip pen, paint over the area with black. You can actually use any color you want. Once that's done, use the magic wand tool to select the area you just painted. Now delete that layer, create a new one, clip it, and paint however you like. Since we have the selection active, your paint will only affect the inside of that area. You can also play around with the blending modes to see what looks best. And to remove the selection, just tap here to clear it. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. There are many more ways you can use this trick, so be sure to explore it yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.